everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make AI wallpapers with StarryAI for free. If you want custom wallpapers, aesthetic, anime or futuristic, StarryAI let you create stunning ones daily without paying. Here's how. Go to the App Store and search Starry Nights and install it. Sign up with your Google, Apple or email account. You'll get 5 free credits every day. On the home screen, hit the create button, the plus button, and to start generating your wallpaper. And then click on generate image. Type exactly what you want your wallpaper to look like, for example. And then choose your under model or style. Pick something like art, realistic, or fantasy. Then tap aspect ratio. Then tap aspect ratios 9:1. This fits perfectly as a phone wallpaper, but for that you guys will have to have the pro. So yeah, if you guys have the pro, then do it. And after that, tap generate. Sorry, AI will, and then tap generate image once you're done. And then if you want sharper or more artistic result, tap in evolve to remix the same design into a new version. Tap upscale to enhance the image quality for a large screens. Go to photos, share, use as wallpaper, and adjust the crop. Done. Your AI art is now ready in your background. Safety tip: never upload copyrighted artwork or other people's images into StarryAI. Always create your own prompts. Quick fix: if you run out of credits, wait for your daily reset every 24 hours or watch ads inside the app to earn extra free credits. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.